In this video, we are going to derive the derivative of inverse functions. So for instance, the derivative of f-1 of x. Now we know that f-1 of x pretty much just represents the inverse of f of x. So to find the derivative of f-1 of x, we have to know how f-1 of x is related to f of x. And if you recall, we know that f of f-1 of x, this is actually equal to x. And so we could use this idea to help us find the derivative of f-1 of x. And so what we could do is we could take the derivative of both sides. And so when we do that, we'll basically take the derivative of the left side, and that's equal to the derivative of the right side. All right, so starting with the left side, we see that this would just be the chain rule. And so pretty much what that would look like is we would pretty much say it's f prime of f-1 of x. And then we multiply this by the derivative of the inside function. In this case, the derivative of f-1 of x. And so the way I'm actually going to write that is I'm going to write it like this. The derivative of f-1 of x. And so that would pretty much be just using the chain rule for that. Okay, this is equal to the derivative of x, which is just 1. Solving for the derivative of f-1 of x, we get, so pretty much to solve for it, we just have to divide this to the other side. And so we get this. And so this will be the derivative of f-1 of x. And that's it. That would be the derivative of inverse functions.